This video will cover all the steps of installing the Viewrail Flight mono stringer and treads. Your first step is unpacking the stringer and carrying it to the installation site. Once unpacked, you should have the following items: the mono stringer, a torque wrench, tread screws, rail bolts, and a container of touch-up paint. Before lifting the stringer into position, confirm that the measurements from the drawing are correct. You'll also want to measure and mark the location for the top of the header plate. Now the stringer can be lifted into position. We also recommend the use of a come-along winch for hoisting the stringer into position. Once it's lined up with the mark you made, use a lag bolt to temporarily hold it in place. Next, make sure the header plate and the tread brackets are level. When level is confirmed, add another lag bolt to the header plate to hold the stringer in place while you install the permanent bolts. The header plate must be bolted through a triple header. We don't supply the hardware for this step or the next step, since we don't know what material or material thickness you're dealing with. The necessary hardware for these steps can easily be found at your local hardware store. The base plate can be attached with lag bolts, concrete anchors, or by through bolting. Once you've populated all of the holes in the header and base plates, use the included touch-up paint to paint the bolt heads so they'll match the stringer. That completes the mono stringer installation. Now you'll put the treads on. The most important part of tread installation is making sure that the treads are square with the stringer and with each other, as well as maintaining a consistent rise and run. After each tread is carefully positioned, it is pre-drilled and screwed to the tread bracket. Being so close to the floor, the bottom tread requires a unique attachment method. Set the tread in place and square it up like the rest. Now, mark the position of the tread bracket holes. Find a clean surface and flip the tread over so you can pre-drill and install the rail bolts. With a rail bolt securely in place, flip the tread back over and carefully set it on the tread bracket, allowing the rail bolts to slide into the tread bracket holes. Add washers and nuts, then tighten. That's all it takes to install the mono stringer and treads of Viewrail Flight. Give us a call to find out how easily our design team can bring the elegance of Viewrail Flight to your project.